These are the best baking, caking, action hacks you've ever seen on the internet. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You ready? Okay, that's
so
good.
let's do it. Let's do it. But that blowing, what is that word for? I didn't get, but okay.
Okay, so we have little sausages. We're wrapping in these. Ooh, that looks really good.
Yeah, I want
it now. Okay.
So, sausage roll.
Yeah, they're like the opposite. They're like inverse sausage rolls,
Yeah.
or like braided sausage rolls.
It's actually nice.
Yeah. They have this thing. It kind of looks like ladyfingers, which is like I forgot what's in it exactly, but they look very similar. They're like braids, and they put stuff inside the dough. I think it's like peanut butter or something. Magnifique.
Sorry, I didn't get it.
It's called ladyfingers, and it's the same concept as that braided dough, but it's a dessert and it's delicious.
Oh, I feel hungry now.
Me too. They look kind of like insects, so nah, not so much. They look little grubs. All right, walnut. Close it up. Looks like one of those bao buns from Asian restaurants.
Yeah.
Those are good.
Or hinkali from Georgia.
Yeah, true. Wow, that's pretty.
Oh, okay.
Pretty delicious looking. Yeah. Okay.
So, but is it tasty enough? You know, this is special dough for for molding or for creating. Not that tasty.
That's true, actually. You're right. You're right. Cheese inside of it looked like more cheese, but it's dough, I guess. And now we're wrapping it up with some bacon. Boom.
It already looks awesome.
It looks fucking beautiful. Sorry, I got a little
farm mood.
Farm grown chicken. Yeah. Okay.
They just twisted the dough and that's it.
Is there a point of this?
Just it was like a necessary action,
It
right?
looks nice. I mean, like if I saw that at a restaurant and they brought out that bread, I'd be like, wow, they have fancy bread.
Yes, but they did so many action around.
Yeah,
like
you thought it would be something more special,
something
for
crazy
sure.
should happen here.
Ooh,
but
spinach pie. Oh, wow. I love spinach in baked goods. It's the best. One time I gained like, I don't know, 5 pounds in like 2 weeks because I ate spinach pies every day. Worth it! It was delicious.
Did it work?
It worked. It was great. Wow, those also look pretty cool.
Yeah, it's like, wow, okay.
Now we're cutting open some dough squares.
Can you imagine what a bunch of work, with the...
It looks like it's going to be a pie of some sort.
I don't know. I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No, I don't like it.
Why don't you like things? What is with you and not liking things? Guys, do you like, I don't know, what is this?
I mean,
What are you, the dough police?
Yes.
Okay,
Here we go. Show your dough.
Put your hands up! That dough has way too much yeast!
Police, open up.
Yeah. Never mind. All right.
Yeah.
So we have some dates.
Uh-huh.
God, I wish I had a date. That was such a bad joke. Sorry. Sorry, everybody. All right, and it looks like a fish thing?
Damn here.
Yeah.
Somebody, please.
Somebody date me. Thank you. No, not on the internet. You can't trust anyone on the internet.
No, actually, I'm fine with this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Have you dated someone on the internet?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Like only through the internet, like you didn't actually meet?
No, we actually start, communication.
From the internet.
Yeah.
And then afterwards, it progressed to real life meeting.
Exactly.
And then they turned out not to be a 50-year-old man.
Yes.
That's
thanks
wow.
God. That's. I was surprised.
Yeah.
You know?
I got that and I was like, whoa, I'm kind of disappointed. I thought you were going to be an old guy. Okay, so, ooh, that looks like a sexy bun. Nice. Wow.
Okay, that's
pretty.
Yeah, pretty.
You just seem not impressed by these buns. What would impress you? What does it take?
That's complicated. Okay, I'll tell. So they did nothing to surprise me yet. But maybe they do.
Maybe they do. All right, maybe right here. What are we doing? We're making a little bone out of dough and we're roping it up, and then boom. I don't know. Okay, not the one, but this one.
I don't know.
Look
It's
at
like
this. What are they doing here? Ooh, I have no idea. They could go anywhere.
Ooh.
Honestly, they can make a toilet hack out of this. I don't know.
They
could. You know.
Okay. So there is one
Look at
dough
this.
in another dough.
Yeah,
or
and
something
then
like
inside it's all pretty dough.
this. Okay, okay.
Little heart. See? It's
Wow.
nice. But I want to see all of them baked. I don't just want to see the shapes, you know? Like that's
the thing. This is the dough for for molding that one.
yeah, it's not for actual baking.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Very sad. Very sad.
Very sad.
Very sad.
Yeah. Because I think after baking they will look not that pretty. They will.
Guys, are you any bakers up in the
Yes.
chat? Can you let us know what is your favorite thing that you've ever baked? And if you have any pictures and you want to put those, feel
Yeah.
free. Because I'm hungry all the time. All the time I'm looking for new things. If you want to add the recipes, appreciate that. If you want to mail us, just kidding. I don't think we have a post box. All right. I remember videos on the internet from like early 2000s where people would be like, "Oh yeah, mail me." I would never trust anyone to mail me. Like, no, don't send me anything. What the heck?
But why?
I don't know. You could send me anything. There could be poop in there. I don't know.
But some guys actually get some presents from audience.
I know, but our audience wouldn't give us presents.
Why?
I don't know. They'd give us weird stuff. They'd send us really weird
No,
things.
actually, there is some good comments.
There are
actually.
absolutely good comments. I'm not going to say that there aren't good comments. I'm just saying that you have creative minds, and that you could send us anything.
Yeah, but but on our previous magnet fishing, which we filmed together, and when we're fishing some treasure and trash mostly, there is a lot of good comments. So thank you guys.
Yeah.
We appreciate it. And
We love you.
Yeah,
Watch that video more. It's awesome.
Yeah. Also, don't forget to leave some likes to our page.
Yep, it would help a lot,
Yep.
and we really appreciate it. We're growing pretty fast, but we could grow faster with your help.
Yeah.
We're like that ad for like the military where they're like, "We want you."
Dang.
Yeah.
I don't want to.
Yeah, we don't want to associate with that, but like
Yes.
I'm just saying, it's kind of similar. All right, so we got an almond that's not even in it. Like, okay.
It's kind of
Yogurt
nothing in
stuff.
inside. Okay.
Press it down, and now it's ravioli.
Okay, wait. Just a roll? Is it a
Okay.
special roll? Is it?
Ah, it's gonna grow weird. And then they take off the rope.
That
That is pretty cool.
that's actually nice. Yeah.
That looks nice.
I guess they impressed it.
Yeah, first one.
Impressed.
First one that we impress Archie with. Very good.
Very good. Very nice.
Good ratio, 100 to
Yeah.
1.
Okay.
So we're slicing this up nice and thin.
So perfect squares.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Not that surprising, but okay.
Oh, actually, kind of clever. Who first came up with this idea?
Was clever.
Will. Yes.
Everyone afterwards, stupid. No. Dumb. All right, so we have
Dumb.
some more dough. There's a little hole in it, and we're gonna take another color of dough, put it in the middle. It looks like a pea pod a little bit,
Yeah.
and it's a pea pod. I was right.
Oh,
Wow.
Nice.
Nice. I want to see a whole video about cake baking, like actual cakes, like really creative looking. You know, I can't believe it's not cake. Have you seen the show? Like they actually have a competition for.
Yeah.
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 I want 5 Minute Crafts to like do a whole thing about making cakes look like other things.
Okay.
I know it takes time. That's
It
probably the
actually
thing.
takes time, efforts, and and talent.
What do you mean?
No.
What do you mean?
No, I'm. You
We
need
have
to
5
be an
Minute
artist.
Crafters watching.
No. I'm not about you, George.
Not about you, George. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Stacy, a little bit about you. Just a little bit.
And just can't imagine there is a Stacy.
I was like thinking, are there any Stacys? Stacy's too much of an American name for that, so yeah. Okay.
What is that?
Ooh, I kind of like that. I kind of like it. It reminds me of the Time Stone from the Marvel Cinematic Universe. I want to eat it. I've been wanting to eat it for a while now.
I just want to see the
That looks like
object which you wouldn't eat.
Yeah, there's no object. I don't know if there is actually. Honestly,
Yeah.
aside from like things that will kill me and things that will make me sick, I'd probably eat it. You know, I've eaten insects. I've eaten really gross century eggs. I've eaten the world's smelliest fish. I've
Yes.
eaten...
I still can't believe that you did it.
I
To
know.
be honest.
Give us more and maybe I'll do it again.
Yeah, more reactions.